Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into house world, and today we do have some nice features that's actually on the Galaxy Watch, and I'm almost positive, people, that it's going to get ported over to the Gear 3 and the Gear Sport, so don't worry about it. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at these features and functions that are in the Tizen 4.0 on the Galaxy Watch. You ready? Let's go ahead and let's do this. First, we're going to hit the bottom button and we're going to go in and tap settings. And right now we're at watch faces, right? But what we want to go real quick is to advanced. And advanced you do not have on the Gear 3. Now in advanced, it's going to give you a list of things. First of all, you can double tap the home screen for Bixby, which is just S voice undercover. Oh, why did I say Bixby? She heard me, right? So you get some of the normal features that you would get on, of course, the Gear 3 and the Gear Sport, but right now you got water lock mode. Now what this does is it locks out any touches, unintended interaction with the smartwatch, so therefore it doesn't burn your battery down while you're swimming, the water's hitting your screen, so you don't have to worry about that. It locks everything down for you, which I thought was pretty cool. Water eject, now I thought this was super awesome, right? So you know how water gets in your screen, because I took a shower before with mine's on, and of course it muffles the speaker so you can't hear it, so you have to wait till it dries. You don't have to do that no more, right? It uses sound to get the water out of your speaker. Check it out. Not bad. Samsung was thinking, they was thinking, right? So I thought that was pretty cool, right? So you get that. And we're not finished yet because we still need to go through advanced. So let's go ahead. Let's go back. Go here again. And we got to go all the way down. We weren't through yet. Now you got theater mode. Now theater mode is a native app on this one now, which I thought was pretty cool. It should have been on here in the first place. Now, you have a third-party app that you can download on the Gear 3 and the Gear Sport. I already did it. But with this one, you can lock this one in your drop shade. And when you go into the movie, you don't have to be looking for the application where it's at. It's right here. You tap on it, and it cuts everything off, your display, your sound, and you don't disturb nobody in the movie, which is super awesome. I thought that was cool, quick, fast, and you got good night mode. Now, good night mode, what that does is it pretty much just prevents the watch from disturbing you at night. It's almost like the do not disturb mode, and it cuts off your alerts except for the alarm and the system sounds, right? It also says that it turns off the always on display and the wake up gestures. So it just allows you to get a good night's sleep without burning down your battery and or interrupting your sleep at all, right? So of course you got the quick settings. If you all don't know about that one, that's not new, but you can go in and change this around however you see fit. I thought this is one of the coolest features out thus far. Apple don't even have this one. You got screen capture. I don't know if you seen screen capture before, and then you got where it reads out notification allowed. That's not new as well, airplane mode. And that's it for that one. Now we're going to go on down and we're going to go to display. Now in display, what we're looking for is what is called show last app. Now I like this one because what it does is it shows the last app that you were in. You can set it for 20 seconds, you can set it for 2 minutes, you can set it for 1 hour. That all depends on you. If you use that application that much, then you can set this to however you like. I thought that was a nice touch by Samsung, but again, these things are buried. Nobody talked about them. So here it is. I'm bringing it to you, so therefore you'll know maybe this will help you to make a better decision on whether you want to get the smartwatch or not. Now everything else is actually on the smartphone, and I like that. I like that I can go get that, all my information from there. So everything that I just showed you, you can go in the actual application. It's called the wearable app, right? So you go in there, it's the Gear Manager app, the same deal. You go in there and you can find everything you was looking for on your smartwatch. It got your widgets on there. It's got a little bit more. It's got widgets you can get into. You can go into your display. You got your advanced on there. And it also has smart things. So smart things, you're going to be able to control your smart devices right from your wrist, which I thought was pretty cool. Again, Samsung never talked about any of these things. And you got smart relay. Now what smart relay does, which I thought was pretty nice, right? And you're going to find that up under notifications. notifications. Now, that's going to relay whatever notification you get. It's going to send it straight to your phone. So when you pick up your phone after you get the notification on your watch, you can check out that notification right on your phone. I thought that was super cool as well. Now, if you want, you can have your watch only show the notifications when you're wearing the watch. So when you don't have the watch on, it's not going to beep, it's not going to go off, it's not going to show any notifications at all, which is a nice option to have on a smartwatch. Now, Samsung gives you a lot in here, kind of, sort of, right? A lot of them are useful. Some of them I thought was pretty cool. But again, at the end of the day, it's all about you and what you think about the smartwatch and the features and functions that came out of Tizen 4.0. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.